everybody, it's new week. Just trying to get some stuff down here. I'm getting a little beat down with all the detail sanding around the windshield. There's a lot of stone chips up in these little areas. I mean, it's a Jeep. It's a big flat area running through the air. Catches a lot of rocks. My DA sander don't fit in any of this stuff, so I'm doing it all by hand, and it's starting to get monotonous. I just picked this up off Amazon. It's a cheap $20, $30 Sci-Fang DA sander, 2-inch. So hopefully this thing gets in those areas for me. The biggest problem is all the stone nicks. I mean, this is a woods machine. I would just roll with it and paint over them, but there's rust in the bottom of all of them, so I want to get the rust out. Actually seems to work pretty good. Definitely beats doing it by hand. Started off trying not to pull this off. I only found a couple places that sold new ones, eBay being one of them, and I don't really trust a lot of things off eBay. But this header seal, kind of expensive, and I'm hoping I don't damage it pulling it off. Because I don't want to have to buy a new one, but I can't get in here to sand the top of the windshield without destroying it. I have the new fenders scuffed down and ready to be primed sitting here, so I'm kind of straddling them. I'm going to be real careful pulling this off. I don't want to destroy it. Definitely want to reuse this. Stupid Jeeps with their 7 slats. Right about now, I wish they had 2 for 1. Maybe I don't even like Jeeps. Kind of pain. Maybe I buy myself a nice Toyota. They got a grill you can take out. And more sand in little cracks and crevices. And just remember, this is a boring video to watch. It's twice as boring to be here doing it. But it's the name of the game. This is where a lot of people lose their interest in projects. Don't fall through to completion. He gets backburnered. Or else they start cutting corners. And it turns out to be a bad job. So you got to go in and out of all these little holes, crevices, and make sure that the paint's going to stick. But it definitely gets old, especially at this stage of the game. You're almost there. But everything seems to take longer than you thought. You look at this and you think, I'll be in here for an hour or 2. 4, 5, 6 hours later, you're still doing it. Weekend later, you're still doing it. Well, I think I'm done for today. It's Sunday. I didn't get to work on it yesterday, Saturday. I had some other stuff to do. Got pretty much accomplished today for the couple hours I was here. The only thing I really have to do left is the driver's side door and door jam, and then I can start masking this thing and getting ready for primer. A little bit of an update. I spared everybody all the sanding. I'm ready for primer. The door's off, sitting out. Fenders are over there. Jeep's all masked up, ready to go. Don't know if I'll actually get it primed. Well, actually, I know I won't get it primed today, but next weekend for sure. Well, this is a pretty big day at the garage. It's primer day. Hopefully it's soon paint day. Then I can move on to fun things like lift kits and big tires and Jeep stuff. Ooh. Probably should have a respirator on, but I figured one primer. My mistake. I always keep the hose behind my back like this so you don't drag the hose in your work. Now if anybody's interested, I'm using 5-star 2K high build primer from Napa. I actually don't like it. I don't like these new guns. I used to do auto body on the side for a hobby years ago, but these new polyurethanes and these high volume, low pressure guns, I'm just not used to them. I'm not getting this to lay down quite as smooth as I'm used to doing it. You know, the results I want. Yeah, I don't know why, but it is what it is. Really nice when you first start spraying, but after a while it starts like dry spraying or orange peeling. I'm not sure what to call it, but it gets a texture. right here. It's a little short, but all I've been doing is sand, and I just wanted to spare you watching me sand. Had to sand the body down. I primed it last week, and now I sanded the primer down. My brother came up and helped me today. Thanks a lot. You're a big help. My girlfriend's son came up and helped me a little bit. Thank you. Next video, and maybe not next weekend, but the following weekend should be paint.